ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide.
What's the crack, guys? It's been a while. Today's episode is the Manhattan. First off, this episode is dedicated to Carl over at Alchemix Bar. He's just posted a video that's really hit home for me. He's shining the spotlight on some issues that are pretty important, mental health, and how social media can completely burn you out. So I'll leave the link to his video in the description. Go check it out. This one's for you, Carl. So Steve's book uses the pretty simple Manhattan recipe of 2 parts bourbon to 1 part sweet vermouth. Actually, you can actually use rye in this. If you like yours a bit more drier and a bit more spicier, use dry, but I like mine a little bit sweeter, so I'm using the bourbon. All right, so in your mixing glass, if I can get this bottle open, I'm gonna go 2 ounces, or 60 mils, bourbon. We're gonna go 1 ounce, or 30 mils of your sweet vermouth. We're going to go a nice healthy 2 dashes of your Angostura bitters. Add ice to your mixing glass. Or those H2O croutons, as they're known. We're going to give this a stir for about 20 seconds. Delightful. And we're going to go strain this into a nice chilled coupe. And garnish on this one is 1 nice maraschino cherry. I like to drip a little bit of the juice in from the cherries. There you go, guys, the Manhattan. This one's for you, Carl. Cheers. It's delightful. If you don't know what a Manhattan tastes like, just make one, try it. Missing out. Cheers, guys. See you on the next one.